Hello YouTube and my subscribers. Hitchcock Motorsports coming to you. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Contest is going on. It is ending in 1 week. So you just comment on one of my videos, subscribe if you want. It's up for a $75 gift card. So it's worth it. The only reason the contest is going on so long, I didn't get enough people in it. These are actually a MIG welder, rebranded, but you can turn around, take the gun part, and use a MIG gun on it, and it'll still work. It's a MIG welder, but it's just it's rebranded. You got all your little knobs here too, and your cycle or overheating, but you can actually stick a fan on the back to blow that shit out more to keep it cooler. But it is gas. You can weld gas and non-gas. Yes, that's my work area now. I got pictures, American flag, Confederate flags going up, or rebel flag. And before I even get any kind of hate thing about that is, it's not a racist flag. I don't show you the project I'm doing. See, yeah, I don't know if you can see them. Focus. No, you can't. Now you can see a little. There's that shock. Oh, I think I actually can see. You can see the back better. Yep, Ford brand new Skyjacker shocks, and obviously they don't pay me for this. Get them damn shocks. They're Hydro 7000s. Them things are a freaking beast. I actually took it off road. OEM shocks can't do what that does. It is insane. This is my new car. It has a 2.2 in it. No, it is not, and I don't get a new fender for it. No, it is not the Z28 version. I kind of wish it was, but it is just the Cavalier, the base model. Ah, shit, I didn't even shut my door. But that's what it looks like inside. Yes, sacrilegious to me. I don't really care for automatics, but it runs, drives, and the door will shut. Door is supposed to shut. So I don't know what's wrong with it. Really don't know what's wrong with it. I just have to it's messed up right there. So I have to figure that shit out. But it is seemed honestly really good shape. It's just the clear coat's coming off of it, but it's gonna get painted black. It's gonna get new rims, and these are probably just like 13s, no 14s. So pretty much all the end of it. Upcoming project is going to be a sandrail, mini sandrail that I don't build from scratch. I don't know if I'm gonna go with like a Ford 2.2 engine or a Volkswagen engine or something. I'm not sure yet. But, and that's getting out my, well, I lost money on that. But, only thing I can say really is, like the beginning, please like, subscribe, and comment. And yes, I'm just doing a little bit of research. And hit the notification. And again, that contest is still going on. You just have to comment on one of my videos. You can subscribe or can't. You don't have to. It's not a requirement. It's for a $75 gift card. So, everyone have a good week. I'll be back later. God bless.